there is our Dollar General, our little town Dollar General. I am on my way to the grocery store. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Gotta slow down for school. And it is absolutely freezing out here. I left my coat at home. Today is Friday. I am absolutely tickled to be off. I have a whole lot of delicious videos I'm going to share with you today. I am going to, well, they won't be shared today. I am making them today. I am cooking for the weekend. What I've got planned is some pumpkin chocolate chip bread, which is amazing. I'm also going to be making, I'm just kind of showing you around town as I'm driving. I'm also going to, look at that little area there, isn't that cute? I'm also going to be making a big pot of chicken and dumplings today because it is so flippin' cold out here today. I'm stopping at the stoplight, as you can see. What else am I going to make? I am going to do a tomato basil rigatoni because I got some rigatoni left over from when Olivia had her project for school. What else am I going to do? Oh, and then for dinner, those are the filming. We're going to eat on that all weekend long. And then for filming, also I'm going to do a like a jalapeno barbecue blue cheese burger for my husband and I. Bless his heart, I haven't cooked for him all week because I've been working. Look at my little tiny town. Look at that, our little tiny pharmacy. Another little tiny pharmacy like O'Reilly's. I'm not really sure why they built that, but we don't need that in this town. Another pharmacy. Gotta have drugs in this town, you know. But I got a lot to cook today, so I'm excited about it. And here is my little local grocery store. And look at that, we've got Casano's there. Edward Jones, whatever that is, Subway, Primary Care, Dentist, empty. There, I'd love to have a restaurant inside there. Look at my little tiny grocery store. Alright, so I'm done at the grocery store. I should have vlogged, but I kind of feel weird about getting my camera out in the grocery store, so and guess where we're going? I'm gonna need something in my belly before I start cooking. See if they package my stuff the way I like it. You know I'm picky, right? God, their sausage kills me.
This is Lindsay. How are you?
Get it anyway. I'm just fine, thank you. I would like a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit, or McMuffin. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And give me one of your sausage burritos.
Any sauce?
Hot, please. Really gonna tear my stomach up. And then give me a small coffee with 3 creams and about 5 sugars. Yeah. That's right, 5 sugars.
I have done for small coffee, 3 cream, 5 sugar, sausage, egg, muffin, and burrito, hot sauce.
That's correct.
Your total is $5.29. Thank you.
Thanks. Gotta have me some breakfast. We're gonna do a small little grocery haul here. Just a very small. I really didn't want to tell you everything that I got because I'd rather get started cooking, but I'm gonna show you a few things. I got some honey because I'm gonna make my special barbecue sauce tonight for our burgers. And look at these. I love these Blue Diamond almonds, and I have not tried these. The wasabi and soy sauce. So we're gonna try those. These things are expensive. Got a couple things of blue cheese. Got some pickled jalapeno peppers to go with my burgers tonight. I got a couple cans of diced petite diced tomatoes that I'm going to make with my rigatoni. I am sorry, but I have had a cold for a couple days. I'm so aggravated because I wanted some fresh basil. They didn't have any. So I'm going to have to use the dried basil, but that's okay for my rigatoni. And I got this little marshmallow Nestle's hot chocolate for my little princess. Got some heavy whipping cream to go with my rigatoni dish that I'm going to make for you guys today. Some chicken bouillon, a couple packs of cheese. I got the nacho blend and the sharp cheddar because I decided that I'm going to pull up my husband's heartstrings this weekend. And I am going to make him, we're going to have some nachos. A big old mess of nachos. Oh, that sounds delicious. This is my new favorite cereal. I keep buying it and wanting Olivia to try it. And I eat it before she even gets a chance to. So I ate the last of it yesterday. Love these. Look at that strawberry. And I'm not a big strawberry fan, imitation, but this is amazing. You need to try these. I love them. So I'm going to finish getting these groceries put up. I got to clean my refrigerator out. I have got stuff in here that needs tossed. Big time. Here. And of course I bought the baby a new little mouse. Can you see it? New little mousey to play with. I gotta throw it over there because if I don't, the dogs will get it. And we're gonna have breakfast. Don't be acting all crazy, dogs. They just came out. Let's have some breakfast. Oh, I also bought these little mini loaf pans. I wanted to get bigger ones because I'm going to make you guys some pumpkin bread with chocolate chips. That's going to be delicious. I'm hoarse today too. I'm a little hoarse. Not a little hoarse. I'm like as in a, you know, a horse, but I'm a little hoarse. Got some soap, got some napkins, got some salsa, and then I've got some chicken gravy mix that I like to put in my chicken and dumplings. I'm going to be making some chicken and dumplings for you here shortly. I got some celery. I'm going to put my celery up, and I got a nice block of Parmesan cheese to go on the rigatoni, that I'm going to make for you guys today. A couple bottles of ketchup because I'm making my famous barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, it's slap your mama delicious. Let's have some breakfast. I got me a little coffee. What's going on in there? They're like having children. Oh, it's like heaven. I gotta fill my belly up before I start cooking for y'all. It is expensive to film videos. Minus the stuff I got for tacos, because I'm not tacos, but I'm gonna make a whole mess of nachos for tomorrow. Probably gonna bring me a couple beers too, to be honest with you. But minus the meat for that and the, what else did I get for that? The whatever they're called, you know, the taco thingies, you know, the nachos, you know, the things that you eat with them, the nachos, that makes the whole mess of nachos. That minus those two things, I spent $115, and that's just, well, you know, this was $1, not including that, and I had to get some peanut butter because the last peanut butter that I bought, it wasn't sealed. This seal was missing. I need that stuff. I don't know who's been in there, what they've put in there, but my stomach is growling. And you know McDonald's sausage kills me, but I'm eating it anyway. I got me a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin. Boy, isn't that thing pitiful. And I got me one of their breakfast burritos. Oh, there was something crawl on me. I love those. So let's eat and we'll chit chat. You know, I'd love to be able to vlog a lot more, film a lot more than what I do, but you know, you guys all know I work. I work a lot of hours, and Christmas is coming, so I'm working a lot more hours. So, look at that. They burnt that. I already take it back. I'm eating it anyway because I'm hungry this morning. I need some salt. You know I need some salt. But I just work so much. A little salt on that. I don't have a lot of time. I'd love to do this full time. Vlog, cook. But I just, you know, I'm working all the time and it is what it is. So, gotta make that money. Make a lot more money working than I do vlogging. So, if you want me to do more videos, then you need to be sharing my videos all over. Damn, is that my makeup? I don't think I got my foundation in good. Jiminy Christmas. You know, when you get old, you can't see. You gotta wipe that foundation off. Let's see. Damn. Now at the store looking like that. That's a lot. Look at that. I didn't rub my foundation in good. But if you want me to do more videos, you need to share my videos, buy my seasoning, and so I can make more money. So I can be here all the time for you guys. Of course, I wouldn't quit my job. I love my job. That is one tough whatever it is. What do you call these things? I forget what it is. I just drew a blank. But, like I said, I'm making... Well, hey there. Look who's always ready for a bite. There ain't nothing I can give you right now. Should like my coffee cup. She'd eat all the time. If you'd let her, she'd eat all the time. But I'm making chicken and dumplings. It is so cold out. I don't know about you, but I don't like this cold weather. Making my nose run. My battery's gonna die. So I guess I can't eat with you guys. Watch me take another bite. I gotta charge it anyway. Because I'm doing all this cooking. I'm doing chicken and dumplings. Pumpkin bread with chocolate chips. It's gonna be amazing. What else am I doing? Blue cheese jalapeno stuffed burgers with my barbecue sauce. We're about to end here because it's like blinking. What else am I doing? And I'm doing a tomato basil rigatoni. And that's what I'm doing today. So I hope you like this video. My camera's about to die. Give me a thumbs up. You know I love you guys so very much. I'm gonna finish eating my sandwich. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.